So today I would like us to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. We have these two equations. Let this one be our equation 1 and equation 2. So using substitution method, we take either of the equations, we choose a certain variable and make in either of the equation the subject of the formula. So in equation 2, it is easier to make y the subject of the formula. So we take this y, we make it the subject of the formula. So it's going to be y is equals to 4x minus 6. Now let's call this one equation 3. Now we are going to take this one, we substitute it here, so that it is going to be 2x plus 3 into, instead now of writing y again, we write this value here, which is the coefficient of y. So it's going to be 4x minus 6 is equals to 8. We open up these brackets, we get 2x plus 12x minus 18 is equals to 8. Group like terms together, we are going to have 14x is equals to 26. So this one is going to be 26. You can now divide both sides by 14 by 14. We obtain the value of x. So our x is going to be, you can divide here by 2. This one is 7, this one is 13. I think that is the simplest form. So it's going to be 13 over 7. Now this is our x. We can take in either equation 1, 2 or 3 either and substitute this value, but it's better let's substitute it like in equation 3. It's the simplest one. So y is going to be 4 into 13 over 7 minus 6. So when you multiply, you get y is equals to 52 over 7 minus 6. So you are going to get 10 over 7. That is our value of y. So our x is 13 over 7 and our y is equals to 10 over 7. You can still convert into mixed fraction, but that is our way to go. If you take these two values and substitute either here or here, you should get this one. That one proves that our working is correct.